Hello everyone, welcome to Campkin's RV Center Tips and Tricks. My name is Seep, and in this episode I want to talk to you about your monitor panel. They come in different designs and styles, but they're usually all they do the very same thing. In this case, it's showing us that our fresh tank is full, then our black and both gray tanks are empty. It also shows your battery is fully charged, although this is kind of a false reading because we're on hydro, so it's actually checking the charger. Best thing to do is to disconnect the hydro and check it then. And also, trailers will also have some of the trailers will also have a voltmeter. This one especially because it's got a solar panel. If you're having trouble, if you dump your tanks and you find that possibly your black tank or your gray tank is still showing that's got material in it, then it might be possible that the sensors are dirty. Now, to maintain that or to help that, we have the chemicals for black tanks or for gray. You can use them in the gray tanks as well, and they will also help to clean off the sensors. Use as directed. This is got to be measured because it's liquid. These are packets. Generally, we recommend fill the toilet first, let it dissolve, and then flush it down. All right. There is even a fresher up for your freshwater tank, which will also help. Okay. Until next time, folks. That's my talk on monitor panels. We'll see you on the happy trails.